I own a 1974 Bricklin SV-1. I saw one driving around in Oshawa, and it was in safety green, and it was it really caught my eye. I didn't know anything about the gull-wing doors. I just thought it's an older sports car that I've never seen before. I did see the name Bricklin on the back, and I looked it up, and then wow, that's kind of got a neat history, and I just went from there, not knowing that there is a lot of mechanical issues that you always have to keep on top of the car, because they had a hard time with the manufacturing the car. In 1974, Bricklin set up factory in Nouveau-Brunswick under the financing from the New Brunswick government, who really wanted a car manufacturing plant in their province. Eventually, New Brunswick sunk about $24 million into the manufacturing of this car and lending money to the Bricklin organization. And what happened was they eventually had to quit giving Malcolm Bricklin this money, and the company folded. I think that there was only 2,500 Bricklins made in 74 and 75 and in 76. From what I understand, there might be 1,400 left today. The driving of the car is fun. It's actually relatively tight. It's a nice feel to it. Anytime you drive this car, you're going to get attention. I get stopped all the time by people who know the history of the car. But yeah, it's a fun, eye-catching car.